Esperemos un poco acá. The guides have this agreement into weights every group separate each other, right? Just to have a more personalized experience, right? So we're going to wait a little bit for that group to move, and then we're going to go inside, all right? There is more people, so we need to respect the time that I will told you, right? When we get into the lagoon, one of the Inca empires. So, but this one is actually a constellation. It's a Southern Cross, so everything is related to the stars. But over here is hide the entire philosophy of the Incas and their calendar with the different directions and the cycles of the moon. Everything is hide in this thing. So the people still use this symbol to relate nature with men, you know.
Nice. I didn't know that.
Huh?
I didn't know that. That's super nice. That's cool.
Yeah, you have a lot of different representations of this same symbol. The original one has a circle in the center because they see their own universe over here. And the center was the center of the universe.
And that is not only for Chile, it's for Bolivia as well, and Peru maybe.
Yeah, this came from Peru because
okay.
the center was the center of the world, the center of the empire, the Cusco city in Peru. So the Cusco is the capital of the Inca Empire.
Okay, makes
So
sense.
from the capital they divide. Cuidado al borde, chicos. This is not a lagoon.
No one can swim here.
No. This is actually a river, an underground river.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is not salty. This is sweet water. This is fresh water. This water. Over here, the ground is a little bit different. Look at that. It's not easy to see flamingos here because they don't nest here. This is bigger. This is a larger lagoon, but it's not that deep. And actually, right now it's like very dry because just like the other one, this is filled with rainwater. But the special thing about this place is actually that here lives a very old bacteria. These bacteria are very famous because are maybe the first living thing on
Photographer, so why not?
I'm also a photographer.
Yeah, you told me that you are, right? So.
Okay.
La gente son 20 minutos, aparte que la gente le complica más la hora.
but it makes sense.
Yeah, because it's so cool. Everybody wants to.
Absolutely. And when did you get to this region? When did you get to Atacama? 2 days ago? When did you get
This elevation, this altitude, sometimes even minus 30 degrees.
But
So
how
this
can you
protected.
cut the hair of it, because it's like all in wild place?
Yeah, you don't do it here in Chile. They're protected.
Yeah.
Peru is supposed
Ah,
to do
in
it.
Peru,
They take
okay.
vicuñas into some corrals. Corrals.
To save it? To shave,
like-
to shave it.
Sí. Más bonito que la otra.
Hagan su foto tranquilamente, ¿no es cierto? Take your time. Waiting for you in the car. Los voy a esperar en el colegio.
Okay.
Turn a little bit right. Right. Look there. Chilean flamingo got it pink completely. And James flamingo is the smallest one and got the bottom of the wing pink and black. And there are some other differences on the side, pink.
You got any bigger or that's the biggest?
That's the biggest, but when they so 1.2 meters.
Oh, that's a flamingo 1 meter.
James flamingo 96. That's a couple of Chilean flamingos you see in the fast.
When it opened the wings, for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, the buttons are black. It's gray, pink, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, it's pink.
Yeah. El macho de la pareja, el macho construye el nido con el barro de sal y lo va haciendo como una